Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Cup of Seagull Life. So today I'm going to discuss with you all best faculties for IPCC. I think a lot of you must have appeared for your CPT and all of you are going to clear, and today I'm going to discuss with you all the best faculties for IPCC according to me. So let's get started. What do we start first with? Which subject? Accounts? Fine, accounts first then. Okay, so I think for accounts, there is no other than Mr. Praveen Sharma and Mr. Praveen Jindal sir. I think Mr. Praveen Sharma sir is god of accounts. वो हर चीज एकदम scratch से समझाना start करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा concept clear हो जाता है. So if you're searching for accounts classes, I think Mr. Praveen Sharma sir is the best for you. But I think जैसे ही आप मतलब आप at least book तो रेफर करते हैं, उसके साथ में I'll suggest you to also refer Paduka questions, because उससे आपका जो concepts है वो और भी clear होता है, plus आपकी writing practice भी ज़्यादा हो जाती है, and the more questions you'll practice, I think the more versatile you'll become in the subject. Moving on to costing, I think for costing I'll suggest you Mr. Purushottam Agarwal sir. I think he's really good. His teaching style is really good. I think costing में it's more of formula oriented, and कौन सा formula कब apply करना है, and the tips and tricks to use the formula, and to actually your concept has to be like really clear when you use the formulas, so that you can solve a lot of complicated problems. So I think Mr. Purushottam Agarwal sir का जो teaching style है वो बहुत अलग है. वो आपको formulas इतना अच्छे से याद भी करा देते हैं, and plus I think how to use them and when to use them, I think वो बहुत ज़्यादा important है, which he's really good into it, and I think you can definitely take his classes for costing. And also उनकी जो book है वो बहुत अच्छी है. उसमें उन्होंने PM के questions, RTP के questions एक साथ include किए हुए हैं, so that you don't have to refer anything else, because this book is perfect. Okay, moving on to the theory subjects. The theory subjects है law, audit और SM. I think basically theory subjects अपने आप मैनेज कर सकते हैं, आपको क्लासेस का उतना ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैंने theory subjects का क्लास नहीं लिया था. I think audit का लिया था, पर मैं उस क्लास में सिर्फ जाकर सो जाती थी और कुछ नहीं कर पाती थी, because वो early in the morning था, 6 o'clock, and I think I couldn't manage to concentrate in the class. So then I decided कि मैं theory subjects का क्लास नहीं लूंगी. I think institute का जो material है वो काफी है पढ़ने के लिए, और पीएम के क्वेश्चंस काफी होते हैं टू सी लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर गोइंग टू कम इन द एग्जाम, एंड इंस्टीट्यूट का सजेस्टेड जो आंसर्स होते हैं दैट इज मोर देन इनफ फॉर यू, बिकॉज उससे पता चल जाता है कि कैसे आंसर्स लिखने चाहिए, कैसे आंसर्स लिखोगे तो आप स्कोर करोगे. देर आर सर्टेन वर्ड्स विच यू शुड यूज, विच शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हाइल राइटिंग द एग्जाम, बिकॉज ऐसे कुछ भी लैंग्वेज में हम नहीं लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर इन अ प्रोफेशनल कोर्स, वी हैव टू यूज दोज टर्म्स, दोज एक्चुअल टर्म्स. आई थिंक सो आपको सजेस्टेड देख लीजिए, पीएम देख लीजिए, इंस्टीट्यूट का जो मटेरियल होता है वो आप रेफर कर सकते हैं. मैंने लॉ के लिए इंस्टीट्यूट का मटेरियल भी रेफर किया था, और मैंने मिस्टर मुनीश भंडारी सर का बुक रेफर किया था, विच इज आई थिंक brilliant, which is very good, and it clears all your concept. You have to clear all the concepts when you write down theory, because when your concepts are clear, you know what you're writing. So I think for theory, you can go for Mr. Munish Bhandari sir in law, and for audit and SM, and in fact for law also, you can definitely refer institute ka material, which is more than enough. And yes, मैं एक चीज सजेस्ट करूंगी, जब भी आप थ्योरी पढ़ते हैं उसे बहुत कंटिन्यूसली ब्रशअप कीजिएगा. अगर आप दिन में 2 घंटा थ्योरी को देते हैं तो उसे कंटिन्यूसली ब्रशअप कीजिए. जस्ट डोंट एक बार पढ़ के छोड़ मत दीजिए, जस्ट कीप रीडिंग इट सो दैट इट गोज इनसाइड एंड इट स्टेज इनसाइड योर ब्रेन फॉर रियली लॉन्ग. अदरवाइज वापस अगर आप पढ़ोगे वो आपको नया लगेगा, अगर आप रिवाइज नहीं करोगे तो उतना टाइम आपका वेस्ट हो जाएगा. सो मूविंग ऑन टू टैक्स. For tax, I would suggest you Mr. M.K. Gupta sir, and also I would suggest you Mr. Vikram Biani sir. Both the teachers are really good. Mr. M.K. Gupta sir has years of experience, and I think his teaching way is really good, and he gives you a lot of practical examples in the classes, which makes the class very easy going, and you'll have a lot of fun in his class. And also Mr. Vikram Biani sir, he's very approachable teacher, very good teachers of tax. So I think tax you can take from them, and yes, perfect. And moving on to advanced accounts. Advanced accounts again, Mr. Praveen Sharma sir is the best. and he's god of accounts. Again, I'm gonna repeat it. Again, for IT, I'm going to make another video for IT because IT थोड़ा सा मुझे difficult लगता था. For IT, I took classes from a different teacher. For ISCA, I took classes from different teacher. So IT and ISCA का classes मैंने दो अलग-अलग teachers से लिया था. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about both the teachers and the teaching techniques. Yes, that is it for now, and stay tuned for my next video. And if you think this video was useful for you, if you like this video, hit on the like button and share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.